Welcome to our video, Unleashing the Future, a career as an AI engineer. In a world driven by technology, artificial intelligence has emerged as a powerful force transforming industries and shaping our future. From self-driving cars to personalized recommendations, AI is revolutionizing the way we live and work. But beyond the technological advancements lies something deeper, the opportunity to find true meaning, purpose, and happiness in your job or career. Imagine waking up every day, excited to contribute your skills and knowledge to a field that has the potential to change lives. Imagine working on projects that have a positive impact on society, where your passion aligns with your profession. As an AI engineer, you have the chance to be part of a transformative movement. You'll combine your technical expertise with creativity and innovation to develop intelligent algorithms and systems that shape the world around us. Whether you're passionate about healthcare, finance, e-commerce, or any other industry, AI offers endless possibilities to make a difference. From improving patient care to revolutionizing financial decision-making, your work as an AI engineer can create a lasting impact. Finding meaning and purpose in your job is not just about the tasks you perform. It's about the sense of fulfillment and satisfaction that comes from knowing your work matters. So, if you're searching for more than just a paycheck, if you're seeking a career that inspires, challenges, and fulfills you, then join us on this journey to explore the incredible opportunities that await you as an AI engineer. Get ready to unleash your potential, follow your passion, and discover the joy of finding meaning and happiness in a job that has the power to shape the future. Welcome to the next section. What is AI engineering? In simple terms, AI engineering is all about developing intelligent systems and algorithms that can perform tasks that typically require human intelligence. It's the fusion of computer science, mathematics, and domain knowledge. As an AI engineer, your role is to design, develop, and deploy AI models and systems. You'll work with cutting-edge technologies like machine learning, deep learning, and data science to create intelligent solutions. AI engineering holds tremendous significance across various industries. In healthcare, AI is transforming patient care, enabling accurate diagnoses, and assisting in drug discovery. In finance, it's revolutionizing decision-making, detecting fraud, and optimizing investment strategies. And in e-commerce, it's providing personalized recommendations, improving customer experiences, and streamlining operations. The impact of AI is far-reaching, with countless opportunities to make a difference and shape the future. So, as an AI engineer, you'll be at the forefront of this exciting field, leveraging your skills to drive innovation and solve complex problems. Get ready to explore the limitless potential of AI engineering. Welcome to Part 3, Skills and Knowledge Required. Aspiring AI engineers should possess a strong set of core skills and knowledge to excel in this field. Let's explore what they are. First and foremost, a solid foundation in machine learning, deep learning, and data science is crucial. These are the pillars upon which AI solutions are built. Understanding the algorithms, techniques, and methodologies behind these disciplines is essential. Proficiency in programming languages is vital, particularly Python and R. These languages are widely used in AI development and offer extensive libraries and frameworks to support machine learning and data analysis tasks. Additionally, strong analytical and problem-solving skills are key. As an AI engineer, you'll encounter complex challenges and need to devise innovative solutions using your critical thinking abilities. Continuous learning is fundamental in the fast-paced world of AI. Staying updated with the latest advancements, research papers, and industry trends is essential to remain at the cutting edge. Effective communication and collaboration skills are also crucial. As an AI engineer, you'll often work in multidisciplinary teams, interacting with experts from various fields. The ability to communicate your ideas, collaborate effectively, and work as part of a team will greatly enhance your success. Remember, the journey of becoming an AI engineer is a continuous process of learning and growth. Embrace the opportunities to expand your knowledge and skills, and stay curious about the advancements shaping the field. In the next section, we'll explore the educational paths and resources available to help you develop these skills and embark on your AI engineering journey. Welcome to the next section, Real-World Applications of AI. AI is making significant strides across various industries, transforming the way we work and live. In today's world, finding passion and purpose in our careers is more important than ever. Let's explore some real-world applications of AI and see how it can help you find meaning in your job. In healthcare, AI is revolutionizing patient care. It's being used to analyze medical data, detect diseases at early stages, and assist in treatment planning. AI-powered systems are also improving diagnostics accuracy, enabling personalized medicine, and facilitating remote patient monitoring. Imagine the fulfillment of knowing that your work directly contributes to saving lives and improving people's well-being. In finance, AI is enhancing decision-making processes. It's used for fraud detection, risk assessment, and algorithmic trading. AI algorithms can analyze vast amounts of financial data to identify patterns, predict market trends, and optimize investment strategies. Being part of the finance industry, you can combine your passion for numbers and technology to make a meaningful impact on the financial well-being of individuals and businesses. In e-commerce, AI is transforming customer experiences. AI-powered recommendation systems provide personalized product suggestions, enhancing customer satisfaction and driving sales. AI chatbots enable efficient customer support, addressing queries and resolving issues in real time. Joining the e-commerce sector allows you to leverage your creativity and technical skills to create seamless shopping experiences that delight customers. But AI's impact extends beyond these sectors. It's being used in manufacturing for predictive maintenance, optimizing production processes, and ensuring quality control. In transportation, AI is powering autonomous vehicles, reducing accidents, and improving traffic management. And in education, AI is enabling personalized learning experiences and intelligent tutoring systems. The opportunities are vast, allowing you to pursue your passion and make a difference in various domains. The application of AI across industries is driving efficiency, improving decision-making, and enhancing customer experiences. It's reshaping how businesses operate and unlocking new opportunities for growth. By becoming an AI engineer, you have the chance to contribute to these real-world applications and find fulfillment in a career that aligns with your passions. In the next section, we'll explore the career opportunities available to AI engineers and the paths you can take to enter this exciting field. Welcome to the next section. Career prospects. In today's rapidly evolving job market, AI engineers are in high demand. The growing prominence of AI technologies across industries has created a multitude of exciting career prospects for aspiring professionals like you. Let's explore the diverse opportunities and the potential for career growth in the field of AI. The demand for AI engineers is skyrocketing. Companies across various sectors are seeking skilled professionals who can harness the power of AI to drive innovation, improve processes, and deliver value to customers. From healthcare and finance to e-commerce and manufacturing, AI is transforming the way businesses operate. As an AI engineer, you'll have a wide range of career prospects to explore. You can specialize in areas such as machine learning, natural language processing, computer vision, or robotics. You can work in research and development, collaborating with interdisciplinary teams to push the boundaries of AI technologies. Or you can apply AI solutions in specific domains, solving complex problems and making a tangible impact. One of the remarkable aspects of a career in AI is the potential for growth. As AI technologies continue to advance, the demand for skilled professionals will only increase. This opens up opportunities for continuous learning and development, allowing you to stay at the forefront of the field and make meaningful contributions. Moreover, the ability to make a significant impact through AI technologies is unparalleled. By developing intelligent systems and algorithms, you have the power to revolutionize industries, improve people's lives, and contribute to solving global challenges. Imagine the satisfaction of knowing that your work has the potential to reshape the world. In addition to the career prospects, the field of AI offers flexibility and adaptability. You can work as part of a team in a large organization, join a startup to innovate and disrupt, or even pursue entrepreneurship to bring your own AI ideas to life. The possibilities are vast, allowing you to tailor your career path to align with your interests and aspirations. In the next section, we'll explore the educational paths and resources available to help you kickstart your journey as an AI engineer. Welcome to the next section. Tips for starting a career. If you're intrigued by the possibilities of a career as an AI engineer, here are some practical tips and guidance to help you get started on the right path. First and foremost, consider your educational path. Pursuing a degree in fields such as computer science, data science, or engineering can provide a solid foundation in the principles and techniques of AI. Additionally, there are specialized AI programs and certifications available that can enhance your knowledge and credentials. Explore online courses and platforms that offer comprehensive AI education to further develop your skills. However, education is just the beginning. To stand out in the competitive job market, it's crucial to build a strong portfolio. Undertake projects that demonstrate your expertise in AI. Whether it's developing machine learning models, creating intelligent systems, or solving real-world problems using AI techniques. Showcase your projects through code repositories, blog posts, or a personal website. A robust portfolio can showcase your capabilities and make a lasting impression on potential employers. Gaining practical experience is equally important. Look for opportunities such as internships, apprenticeships, or research assistantships to apply your AI skills in real-world scenarios. Hands-on experience not only strengthens your technical abilities but also provides valuable insights into the challenges and intricacies of AI implementation. Seek out industry partnerships or collaborate with academic institutions to work on cutting-edge AI projects. Networking is a key aspect of building a successful career in AI. Engage with AI communities and participate in relevant events, conferences, and meetups. Connect with professionals in the field. Join AI-focused groups on social media platforms, and contribute to discussions and knowledge sharing. Building a strong network can open doors to mentorship, collaboration, and job opportunities. Stay active in the AI community and keep up with the latest trends and advancements. Lastly, remain curious and adaptable. The field of AI is continually evolving, and staying updated with the latest developments is crucial. Embrace lifelong learning by exploring research papers, attending webinars, and enrolling in advanced courses to deepen your understanding of AI concepts. Develop a growth mindset, be open to new ideas, and embrace challenges as opportunities for learning and growth. By following these tips, you'll be well equipped to embark on a rewarding career as an AI engineer. Remember, finding passion and purpose in your work is essential. Let your curiosity and enthusiasm drive you to explore the vast possibilities of AI and make a meaningful impact in the world. In the next section, we'll discuss the future of AI and its potential for shaping industries and society. In this video, we've explored the world of AI engineering and its immense potential for shaping the future. Let's recap the key points we've discussed. AI engineering is a dynamic and rapidly evolving field that involves developing intelligent systems and algorithms. It plays a crucial role in industries such as healthcare, finance, e-commerce, and many others. AI engineers possess a diverse skill set, including expertise in machine learning, deep learning, and data science. Continuous learning and staying updated with the latest advancements are essential in this field. We've seen the real-world applications of AI, from enhancing healthcare diagnostics to revolutionizing customer experiences in e-commerce. The demand for AI engineers is growing, and the career prospects are vast. As an AI engineer, you have the opportunity to make a significant impact, contribute to cutting-edge technologies, and shape the future of industries. If you're inspired by the potential of a fulfilling career in AI engineering, it's time to take action. Subscribe to our channel to stay informed about the latest trends, insights, and career advice in the field of AI. Join our community of like-minded individuals who are passionate about AI and its transformative power. Remember, finding passion and purpose in your work is crucial. AI offers boundless opportunities to merge your interests and skills, make a positive impact, and shape the world around you. Seize the possibilities, embrace the challenges, and embark on an exciting career path as an AI engineer. Thank you for joining us in this exploration of AI engineering. Together, let's unlock the potential of AI and create a future where innovation knows no limits.